Welcome back to my YouTube channel Mobile World. If you are new on my channel, then please subscribe to my channel first. In today's video, I'll tell you that how to use Pinterest or how to create an account on Pinterest. So first of all, we have to open our App Store or Play Store. I'm opening my Play Store. I am searching here Pinterest. As my Pinterest is already installed in my cell phone, so here is coming option of open instead of install. So I'm opening Pinterest. Now we have to click on this profile icon. Now as I have already account on Pinterest, so I'm just going and clicking on add account option. Now these options will appear on your screen. Create a free business account, create a new personal account, create existing account, manage account. So we have to go into create a new personal account. Now they are asking to continue with if you want to continue with email address, you have to type email address. If you want to continue with Facebook, you can continue with Facebook. If you want to continue with your Google account, you can also do that. So I am typing my email address. Continue. Now they are asking that create a password. Now they are asking that what's your full name. So I have to type here my full name. Next. Now they are asking that what's your age. So I have to type here my age. Next. Now this thing is appearing that sorry, that email is already taken, please try again. We have to click on try again. Now click on next. Now it's loading. It may take some time, but you have to click on try again because it takes some time. Okay, now go back. Now type here password that we have set. Okay. Now your account is logged in. So you can see that account is logged in. Now what you can do on Pinterest is that if you want to see anything, if you want to design anything, if you want to take ideas of anything like girls coats, these all are popular on Pinterest. Women's fashion ideas, home decor ideas, food and drink ideas, anything that you want to know about or you want to take an idea, you can take. Like I'm opening fashion dresses. Now here comes videos related to that, and here comes options and latest African, old, Muslim, Korean, party, Indian, African trend, kids, Korean girl. I'm clicking on Korean girl. Now if you like any of them, you can click on save. Now save to quick save. So this is the way of using Pinterest and getting ideas from it about fashion or anything that you want to know. So if you like my video, then please give it a huge thumbs up. You have to share with your friends also so that they can also get benefits from it. So if you want to edit your profile, you have to click on this option, edit profile. And you can change your name, add your pronouns, anything. So I'll make a detailed video on this thing. In this video I have shown you that how to create an account on Pinterest and basically how to use it or how you can get benefits from it. So if you like my video, then please give it a huge thumbs up, share to your friends, also comment below that what type of video you want to see next. I hope that you have subscribed, but if you don't have subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. 80% of you people are not subscribing but only coming and watching my videos. So please guys, subscribe to my channel, do support so that we can stay connected for long and I can bring content for you like this that will be informative for you. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care.